probably heard the term emotional intelligence before. It became popular over the past 20 years in leadership development. More recently, it has gained a lot of recognition as a skill to enhance sales effectiveness. But would you believe me if I told you it's built into our DNA? I mean, think about it. How does a baby let us know they have a need to be fulfilled? We've all been conditioned since birth to express our emotions, to get what we want. There's a power in using and managing your emotions to drive specific results, and it's all tied to the physiological and biological makeup of our brains. When it comes to emotional intelligence, you can think about the human brain in three parts. The brainstem, which controls our subconscious capabilities, such as breathing and our heart rate. The middle or top of the brain, which is the amygdala, which holds the emotional responses of our fight and flight feelings. This is an area of self-protection that holds all the emotional memory, especially the negative ones. And then there is this neocortex, which is in front of the brain, which includes everything learned like values, morals, technical skills, and even creativity. The neocortex is the path of every stimulus, including reading. It takes 0.85 seconds for the electrical signal from the brainstem to reach the neocortex. So when we encounter things like loss, adversity, or fear, a chemical called cortisol is released into our bloodstream. This chemical gives a signal to the blood that it must protect the body, and it causes the blood flow to the brain to mostly stay in the emotional area of the brain, the amygdala. This is where the phrase, "your emotions got the best of you," comes from. And it's true. We literally have a physical reaction to the emotions. So let's put this in perspective of a customer. So when your customer receives negative news about an inspection or other delays, which are common in our industry, cortisol kicks in. Now, understanding the science is key to helping ease your customer's emotions in the next few moments. Are they feeling fear, frustration, anxiety, pressure, or confusion? Leveraging this moment to connect to the human experience versus focusing on the transaction deepens your customer relationship.